Welcome to today's episode on our channel. Today we want to do something quite different from, not quite different though, but we just want to show you in continuation of what we promised that we will in subsequent time show you how to use the 3-in-1 breakfast maker. Of course, the 3-in-1 breakfast maker can help you to achieve a lot, and today I just want to try out a recipe I feel you can try if you have the 3-in-1 breakfast maker, but if you don't have it, then you can as well plan on how to acquire one for yourself. So I want to show us how, or if it's possible for us to grill or fry the plantain using the 3-in-1 breakfast maker, and then we're going to make something quite different. I don't know how to call it, but I'm just going to do some little common magic with this plantain and some eggs. So let's just watch out how today's content is going to pan out. So I have two very ripe plantain here. They are really very ripe. So I'm going to cut it open, and then we're going to see what we are going to accomplish with this. Okay, it's quite very ripe. So let's see what we are going to accomplish with this plantain. In case you have a very ripe plantain and you're thinking of discarding it, then you shouldn't think of that, because there's something you can actually achieve if you have the 3-in-1 breakfast maker or maybe an air fryer. I think an air fryer will be even better. But if you don't have an air fryer, then you can go with the 3-in-1 breakfast maker, because the air fryer has, for some of them that has the preset option or button, it will allow you to do what I'm going to do today. So let's see. What I put in this water is just salt, just to help us get not to, just want to get some taste to it. So I just put a little salt in this water, and then I'm going to discard this water, cut the plantain into smaller pieces, and then we'll toss it into the oven, 3-in-1 breakfast maker, under the temperature of 200 degrees Celsius, and allow it to grill for 40 minutes. We are going to use oil. We just coat it a little with oil and see how it's going to go. So let's start by preheating the 3-in-1 breakfast maker for, I think, 10 minutes. Usually that's what you're expected to do. So if this is your first time on the channel, please kindly hit the subscription button and like button. This to show you how to make use of this self-stirring mug. It's a very great utensil. You can give it out as a gift item to your loved ones. You can use it in your office. No more clinging of your cup, or using spoon to clean everywhere in the office. So technology is here to help us make life easy. Okay, so let's see what we're going to achieve with this. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, you can kindly do that in support of this channel. So let's cut the plantain into smaller pieces. I had sliced my onions off camera and some red chili pepper. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to start the process where we're going to make our tea. So I'm going to use soya milk and Milo. So I'm going to pour in the water that we're going to use to make the tea. There is a metering by the side, so I'm just checking to make sure that's all the quantity of water I need. That's okay. So I'm going to cover it and then put it on so I could get hot water here. So I'm going to go ahead to prepare my egg where I'm going to use for the recipe we have for today. But then this is the self-stirring mug I am telling you about. So all you need to do is to insert the 2E 1.5 volt battery and cover it. This is what is going to help you to stir your tea. So if you open, there is a blade in here. All you need to do is to press the button and it stir your tea. So we don't need that for now. I'm just going to prepare my egg first. So let's stir water first and see what's going to happen. So as you can see, our water is boiling. Our plantain is ready, so I have taken it off the 3-in-1 breakfast maker and this is how it looks. And you see, it's nice enough. Didn't get burnt that much. If it were to be an air fryer, it would have done a different thing. The part where you see it get burnt because it has stick to the steel, and so that steel is hot, and so you're going to have those brown patches, which is explanatory. But if we have the mesh uh, tree, then we won't have all those dark patches or brown patches that you see. So the next thing we are going to do right now is to go to the main part of today's video, because all these were processes, and I'm going to pour this egg into our grill pan, and then you're going to see something. So let's go ahead. I'm going to pour it carefully. It's really hot. And then by doing so, I'm going to spread it evenly, and then we're going to pour in our plantain in the mix. This is where it would have been nicer or easier if the plantain were smaller, but it's still okay. Doesn't going to stop what we want to achieve. We will still achieve what we want to achieve. We will still get there. We're just using different direction. Maybe only one road where we take go Lagos now, happy. We get different routes to destination, so we will still get to our destination. So after spreading this and make sure they are deep inside the egg. What I'm gonna do next is to cover this and allow it to cook for some minutes, and you're gonna see what we are gonna have. You're gonna see what we're gonna have. We're gonna have breakfast. So this cover you're seeing so actually does some kind of function. It's more like allowing this to fry in a vaporized state. Yeah, I don't know if there's something like that, but that's how I can explain it. When you cover this and fry, it allows that kind of, I don't know, feels like there's a vapor cooking or some vapor frying. I don't know if there's anything like that, but we will see. Let me take it closer so you can see how our 3-in-1 breakfast maker is doing the job. So I'm gonna go ahead to make the tea so you can see how the self-stirring mug work. Let me clear a bit of this space so we can have some space. So you open here, take off your hot water, still hot, pour it into your self-stirring mug. You can see the vapor. I thought it's gonna be hot water. You have to push it in to close. Okay, so you have to cover it well and then push it and it to close. So let's pour in our tea and see how the self-stirring mugs work. This is a Milo Nestle Energy Chocolate Drink. This is what I take. So I'll pour it in. I'll also pour the Loya milk. Loya milk is one of those full cream milk we have. So I'll pour this in as well. And let's see how the self-stirring mug is going to do its job. Can you see this? It's mixing your tea. It's mixing your tea. Can you see that? Very lovely. Low noise. I mean, why wouldn't you buy something like this? If you need one, you can contact me. It's just 6,000 naira, okay? And that's all to get your tea stir up, and you're good to go. Properly mixed. So I'm gonna cover it and wait for my preparations to get done. So now look at what I'm telling you. Feels like it's vapor frying and cooking at the same time. Look at what we're having here. So I'm gonna allow it to finish the job it wants to do, and I'm gonna have my breakfast this morning. I'm taking time to do this video so you can have a sense of what we're doing, but in all honesty, you can just do this and go about your work. You can also do this simultaneously. You can brew your coffee. If you're someone who likes coffee, you can brew your coffee, fry your egg, whatever You can toast your bread in the oven section and you have your breakfast. I mean, come on. What else do we need to suffer in this life for? Absolutely nothing. So, if this is your first time on the channel, like I would always say, please kindly subscribe to the channel and continue to support us. That way, you will encourage us to keep sharing amazing content. I mean, amazing content that is going to help others, as well as review products and let you know if you should get them or not. So, I'm just going to show you the final product of what we have, and then we're going to have a breakfast. So today I did not actually show my face. I don't know if I should show my face, but this is how I look today. And I'm happy because I'm going to have breakfast soon. What's the time? This is 8:56. I don't know if it's late or I don't know. But I had to do a quick drop off for some clients, so that's why I'm having my breakfast by this time. So look at progress. Progress. We are having progress. Look at what we have. Progress. Look at how it's coming up. Can you feel it? Can you see it? Oh, I'm salivating already. I don't know. This is lovely. Wow. It's lovely, 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 lovely. So at this point in time, I think my egg is ready. So that is where we're going to say goodbye for today. And you can try this recipe at home. I'm sure you're going to love it. Okay. Bye bye for today. There's nothing more for me to show you from here onward. So we'll call it a day. Thanks for being here. And God bless you. See you in another content.